Hello, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools, and I'm answering the question of the week. So the question we got is, what's the most important lesson people can learn from affiliate marketing? Well, the most important thing for us is, yes, you should absolutely be outsourcing it. I'm hoping everyone reads this article because it doesn't matter if you're a poor beginner or a filthy rich expert. Time works the same for all of us. Me, you, Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Mark Zuckerberg, and everybody in between have the same constraint of 24 hours in a day. So in several of my past articles and videos, I've talked about utilizing multiple traffic sources so people can see our affiliate offers. The response I typically get is, how in the world am I going to find time to make YouTube videos and blog posts and Instagram pictures and Pinterest thingies and Facebook posts? And that is where the concept of content maximization comes from. Getting the most bang for your buck. So let me tell you exactly the process that we use. I do a bunch of research and I create a list of content ideas my audience would benefit from. I sit down in a day and I make 10 YouTube videos about that content. Once a video is made, it goes to a writer I've hired online. Actually, it's on Upwork. And she turns the video into a blog post. Next, that video goes to a designer I hired from the same place, very affordable. The designer turns that video into pictures. And then it gets turned into quotes and then goes on my Instagram and Pinterest. Are you starting to see the big picture? I'm utilizing two powerful tools called batching and systemization to get the most content for my time spent. See, in the beginning, I didn't have a team, but I still followed this system when it was just me. Massive time saved because I had a process. I only have to create content once a week now, and I do that on Mondays. And then I'm free to work on other parts of my business the rest of the week. So hope that helped a little bit with the idea of outsourcing your content creation. If you're interested in learning more, my mentor has a free video training, how to make a full-time passive income selling other people's stuff. I'll put a link in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out for yourself. See, for me, being an entrepreneur is fun because I have systems in place so that I can create content because I'm the only one that can be on a video and still be me. But once it's created, I outsource it to my team, and then I can move on to the other things that I want to do, like launch other products, create other things, or just travel and not be in the office. So hopefully this was beneficial for your business. Again, take what you've learned, take action, implement it in your business.